Albert Toseo. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer of Gothong Southern end-to-end supply chain. Been with the company for 25 years. I started with Gothong Southern, and it was still known as Ottawa Freight then. No? I started as a documentation and traffic officer, no? The AT. So my job was to check billings, of course, cargo acceptance, issuance of bill of lading. Before kasi we use houseway bill pa because we're still a freight forwarding company. So issuance of houseway bill and checking of bills from our suppliers. It's like seeing your baby growing up, no? Parang when we started kasi, we're holding our office sa Rodriqueza inside the Pier 4, no? And we're just holding office siguro parang kasi laki lang ng dalawang 40-footer, ganon. And there was a time na pag may bisita kami, kailangang may lumabas na empleyado so that we can accommodate our visitors, no? So that's how we started, no? And from then on, and we saw na nag-grow na yung revenue namin, yung market namin. Then we said to the management na bili tayong barko kasi we cannot have our suppliers accommodate us na. So we started our shipping, I think 20 years ago. So from that small ship lang, and now kung sa bata pa, we started as a baby, and now I think nasa college na yung mga anak natin. So that's how, personally, ganun din. My first child was born on the same year na pumasok ako sa Gothong Southern, and he's working right now. So ganun. And it's just a parallel din sa nangyari sa company, no? We started from a very what do you say, a small, no? And right now we have ilang ships na natin, 11 ships na tayo. I can say naman na personally kasi, well, I'm living now in my own house. Totoo din naman yun, nagaling sa Gothong Southern yan because been with the company for 25 years. So basically, kung anong pumasok sa loob ng bahay ko, nagagaling sa Gothong Southern yun. And mayroon akong anak na gumraduate na, and yung isa or second year college na, no? So basically that's how I grow with the company. At the same time, nag-grow din yung company. And I can just remember nung mga bago pa lang kami, one of our dreams dati with our chief operating officer nun, sabi namin, sana magkaroon tayo ng building na sarili natin. And nangyari na yan, meron tayo sa Cebu. And sabi namin nun na sana there will come a time na pag nagpatawag tayo ng meeting sa mga sales natin, sa operations natin, meron na silang mga sasakyan na, o sige, magkita-kita tayo somewhere in Makati, somewhere in saang lugar na yan, and hindi na sila magko-commute, and it's happening right now, no? Well, technically, I grew up in terms of professional sa Gothong Southern, no? And as I have mentioned earlier, I started as a documentation and traffic officer, and now I'm the chief commercial officer of supply chain. And hindi maramot ang Gothong Southern in terms of training, no? We invest on people talaga. So personally, It's because of the support of the management why I'm here, personally and professionally. Personal and our company's culture kasi nag-fit eh. So there should be always a fit in terms of culture, kasi kung wala, then baka wala rin ako dito. For 25 years kasi it's hard to maintain the same passion, no, and interest sa ginagawa mo araw-araw if you do not believe sa values ng company. And of course, my professional and personal naka-anchor din sa mission vision ng organizations. That's why yun yung pinaka importante para sa akin. Parang ito yung glue why I'm still here sa journey ko sa professional, no, for 25 years. We are Gotong Southern.